So now that we have the developer as part of our ribbon, our menus, so we can use Visual Basic, I'm going to go ahead and click on the developer, and you can see up pops Visual Basic to the left, and so I'm going to go ahead and open the Visual Basic editor. And what you can see here in the visible window is we've got three things that we can look at. We've got the project window, which is up here to our left. We've got the properties part of our window, which is down here in the lower left, and an initial empty area where we're going to be able to do some editing and add our programs in here. And so this is how this works. VBA editor is a separate program, is actually not Excel, but can be initiated by any of these programs. So now that we've got our VBA opened up, what we need to do is add a module. And so there's several ways to do this. You can right click and hope that your menu will come up. If you come over here, and we can say insert a module, and so I'm going to go ahead and insert a module, and I'm going to make that bigger so that you can see that. So now what I've got is I've got a window that I can type pretty much anything that I want to, and I'm typing in here. And one thing you'll note is when you use the apostrophe, that becomes comments. So apostrophes, ways that I can add information. So now that I've got this file opened up, I want to show you another way I could have inserted a module. We could have gone to the menu and inserted the module this way. What I did was I hovered over the project part of the Visual Basic editor, and I right clicked and I got a insert module that opened up, and you can see that now this module shows up in this project window. So this kind of shows you the structure of VBA. You can see we've got ways to save files, edit, do all sorts of things, debugging, which will become helpful later on. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and the next video will be about how to actually do some programming.